sounds very difficult indeed. You must have gone through a lot of training. Is there anything special that you had to do? Bachendripal, I had done several courses in mountaineering before. I had learned techniques of rock climbing, rappelling, that is, coming down a high vertical rock face with the help of a rope. Different campaigns, methods, and safe ways of crossing mountains, rapids. I was very excited when I was chosen for the Everest 84 team. But I knew that the training would be very tough. We had to climb nearly 600 meters every day with a load of 12 to 15 kilograms on our back. We spent hours in gymnasium every day. Swimming and jogging helped build up our stamina and improved lung functioning as the air is thin at high altitudes. And of course, we had to eat special protein-rich foods, plenty of milk, greens, and sugars. Yeah, mountaineering means the sport of climbing mountain. Rappelling is coming down vertically on a rock face. Rapids means part of a river where the water moves very fast over rocks. Gymnasium is a room of or building equipped for gymnastic games and other physical activities. And stamina means the strength of body or mind to fight tiredness. Then the interviewer asked Bachendripal that for this she achieved this success, and for this she has to go on for some training or some special training, etc. So he asked him what training he get and what other special things he do to complete his training. Okay, so Bachendripal answered that she had done so many mountaineering courses, means where she learned the sport of climbing mountains. She learned how to climb mountains, and then also she had learned the many techniques of climbing, rappelling. वो climb करने का rappel करने का मतलब rocks पे चलने वगैरह काफ़ी techniques she learned. And also she chooses very different campaign methods and also learns so many safe campaigning methods and safe ways of crossing the rivers and slopes and other things when on the mountains. And she was very excited after the training. She was very excited when she was chosen for the Everest 84 team. Means there was a team of 84 members and she was one of them. So she was very happy to know that she was chosen for that for climbing the Mount Everest. And she also knew as she was chosen for climbing Mount Everest, and Mount Everest is the highest peak and it is very difficult to climb that. It will be very difficult for her to do the training because they have to climb nearly 600 meters daily on the different mountain. 600 meter they daily climb, and also with the loads on their back they have to carry the load also. 12 to 15 kilogram they carry on their back climbing 600 meter daily. And also they spend many hours in the gymnasium. Gymnasium is a place जहाँ पे gymnastic other sports वगैरह जो है they play. So they have to spend hours in gymnasium also. They do swimming, jogging, so that they could boost their stamina. Stamina is the strength of body and mind to fight tiredness. So they have to build their stamina also. So they do swimming and jogging also daily, and also to improve their lung functioning, because on the high altitude when you go up in the when you travel from on the high altitudes there is a air problem. So to cope up with this they have to improve their lung functioning also. So swimming and jogging help them in that. And of course they have to eat some protein rich foods so that they could have good stamina. So they have to eat some protein rich foods like milk, green vegetables and sugar, etc. Interviewer: you must have a great interest in mountaineering to have gone through this kind of thorough training. It must have been dangerous too. Bachendripal: yes, there are dangers. In fact, we had frightening experience before the final ascent to Mount Everest. We were at a camp when it was struck by an avalanche. Almost everyone in the team was hurt. I was buried under hardened snow and a team member had to dig through the snow to rescue me. I had a big bump on my head which was quite painful. Rescue teams from other camps helped to move the injured to hospital for treatment. Despite the pain, I chose to not return with the rescue teams. I wanted to continue with the expedition. I remember my team leader saying how gusty I was, choosing not to return with the rescue team. So the interviewer asked that she must be very interested in mountaineering. That's why she gone through so much tough training and so much pain and also. And he was also thought that it must be dangerous training and all. So the Bachinpa answered, yes, it was dangerous. There were so many dangers on the training, and it also shared an experience that there was a frightening experience of them. Like डरावना experience था उनका before the final ascent to Mount Everest. Ascent means the process of going up. जब फाइनली ऊपर जा रहे थे उससे पहले दे फेस्ड अ वेरी फ्राइटनिंग एक्सपीरियंस. दे आर कैंपिंग ऑन सम mountain and they were stuck in an avalanche there. Avalanche means a large mass of snow and ice crashing down the side of a mountains. जब ice जो है वो mountains के नीचे गिरने लग जाती है, that was avalanche. So they were stuck in that, and because that was so disastrous, most of their team members was very hurt. Means almost everyone in their team was hurt, and she was buried in the snow. जो बर्फ ऊपर से आई वो उसमें बरी हो गई थी. So one of so few of her team member dig the ice and rescue her, and it was very dangerous that she got some injuries on her head, and it was quite painful for her. But despite all of this, and she got treatment from a nearby team who come to rescue them also. And the injured, the people who are injured in the this disaster, they just go to the hospital, but Bachin Paul decided to stay there. She was not going with the rescue team, and she was very brave to do this. And her team member also told her that she was very gusty. Gusty means brave and courageous. She was very brave to choose not to return with the rescue team because she was hurt, and if she go up, then there are so many difficulties also on the top also. And if she decided to stay, this was very brave of her. Interviewer: and because you did, you could fulfill your dreams. So Bachendri, how did you get interested in mountaineering? Bachendri Pal: I grew up in the hills of Garhwal. As a child, I loved to go on long treks. I often explored the woods and the hill slopes alone. I was quite independent and fearless. In school, I loved to take part in sports and other outdoor activities. My parents always encouraged my interest in games and were very proud when I came home with a prize. My elder brother always advised my younger brother Raju to take part in outdoor activities like mountaineering. This made me angry. Why only Raju? Why can't I take up mountaineering? I would ask.